Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to go over how to draw Godzilla kind of as a Pokemon. So let's get started. It's going to be easy for beginners. Let's do it, all right? Going to go over here, and I'm going to start over here with a curved mouth for kind of a smiling version of Godzilla. It's going to be slightly cutesy, slightly chibi, not, all out, but slightly. And we're going to go over here, and I'm going to add a tooth down here, tooth right there, another tooth, right? Teeth in the back right there. You can see kind of his upper mouth and pull down. Going over here to the top of the nose, down, kind of the snout area. It's gonna be kind of relatively short. Curve right here. By the way, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Godzilla, Sonic, any other video game character, dinosaurs, we go over everything on this channel. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. And basically, if you like the stuff that I do, please, if you will, subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't like it. So I'm gonna go back right here for the eye. It's kind of like triangle eye. Pulling up, pulling back right here, flat head. And I'm gonna keep kind of curving this. Line up. Line down for the side of the kind of mouth. Curve down here. For underneath the lower portion of the jaw, pull back. And some teeth on the bottom as well, right there. Opening the mouth. Sweet. Alright, gonna pull back over here the back of the jaw. Let's go over here for the neck. His neck gets bigger as it goes downward. Curve right here for his arm. Straight down. Down over here. Line over here on this side. Pull straight. And I'm gonna have some spikes sticking out for the hand right here. I think that's probably the best way to do it, and I've seen that a lot in Pokemon. Right there. Gonna go over here to this far side. Curve for the arm. Pull down over here for the chest area. Pull back. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna throw a large kind of stomach area. Okay. Gonna go back here. Down to the side of his face. Curve right there. And I'm gonna go over here on this side as well. Curve down. And on this side I'm gonna go out, down. And we're gonna curve for kind of the bottom of his torso area. Now I'm gonna find his other leg on this side. Curve. Down over here, down for the other part of his leg. He's got these big, meaty legs. Don't forget, if you like kind of cool stuff like this, I go over hour-long lessons. Full hour, 2-hour-long lessons on my Skillshare. Go check that link out in the description. There's so much stuff there. You get a free, I believe you get a free month if you click the link below on Skillshare. It's kind of like the Netflix of drawing, in my opinion, or creative outlets. Down right here, down through the foot. Downward, back. So this huge lumbering foot. And so the edge of this is curve. And we have down, down, down. Back over here, down. Down over here. Curve. Up over here, down, 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 kind of for kind of the again the kind of toe area. Let's put in the far arm, out, down, line over here, line over here, curve, pull in, and again, it's just these kind of cones on the end of his hands, right? They're like spikes. Circle up, down, curve, curve, curve. Gonna go over here, kind of the front area. We're gonna pull up over here, curve, and I want him to have the pattern on his stomach right here. Kind of like a cute version, right? He's got like kind of big hands and stuff like that. If you want to learn how to draw something cute, by the way, I have a completely free ebook. You're gonna have to find a link in the description somewhere, but it's a 10-page ebook, very, very short, and it's how to find the proportions of cute. So like his hands are bigger in this case. Usually on a different kind of character, you have the bigger head, and then some. There's different proportions. It's not how big they are on the page, it's how big they are in proportion to the other features. So just to kind of let you know, it's completely free, and if you get that ebook, the cool part is when you know, you'll never forget it. It's super easy. It's just kind of like knowing, like, oh, okay, now I can do that. But it's completely free ebook. Go check that out in the description. You'd have to find it though. Gonna go over here, gonna pull up, down, up for kind of just the spikes on his back. Yeah, I'm thinking of them kind of like king hats. Kind of like that. It's got like usually 3 spikes, and they get bigger as they go down. Here, here, here. Cool, cool, cool. And now we're gonna put the kind of snake belly right here. Right down here as well, kind of that Godzilla style snake belly, dragon belly, just kind of lines across. Right on. And if you want, you can throw like a fireball over here, maybe kind of a curve. This is bonus round, by the way. Like a bonus round, and maybe put like a smaller flame on the inside to really give it an effect. Tongue in the mouth. And if you really want, you can kind of go over here, and you can draw little details if you want everywhere, like little lines here, but you don't really have to. I want to thank you very much for watching. Also, what I want you to know is do not forget that there are Amazon ebooks that I have on Amazon. They're coloring books. So if you like coloring, we basically kind of made our own coloring page. I put out coloring books every single week on Amazon, different ones. If you want a specific coloring book, I'll probably make it and put it out there as well. Thank you so much. You are amazing. I'm only here because of you guys, and this channel is growing, and I love it. I love the community. Everybody's super nice. And I'm also going to be kind of hooking up my website more often on the channel as well. Talk to you next time.